Hello, Mark Sturdy of 7 Days Ahead with highlights of their multi-asset technical strategies, week of the 21st of September 2021. Looking at the summary, we'll see there's not that much change from last week. We remain bullish of the dollar against the yen in the long, medium and short term. I would just add that we are excited by close levels against the dollar against the euro and the sterling, both of which are close to breakout in terms of further dollar strength there as well. But at the moment, we remain solely interested in the dollar against the yen. Sterling euro is dull. We are interested in the Nikkei, which is the unambiguously bullish market this week, short term, medium term, and long term. Some slight anxieties have come into play in the S&P 500, Eurostoxx 50, and the FTSE. Short-term weakness leading to slight uncertainty, certainly not bearish. There is a small bearish pattern forming in the Eurostoxx, very short term. We remain bullish in the medium and long term in those, and unambiguously in all time frames in the Nikkei. We think of the bonds, the most interesting is the UK gilt. We might be slightly ahead of ourselves, but we feel bearish in all time frames there, and we'll go through that. And we remain bullish of oil with a certain question mark. Let's quickly go to the detail of the dollar yen. There's the long-term chart, bullish. The medium and short-term charts are not breakout situations, so there's a slight question mark over that. But we remain very bullish of the dollar against the yen. Next of excitement in our summary was the Nikkei. Let's look at the unambiguous Nikkei. There's the long-term bullish Nikkei chart. Very exciting. Here's the short term. Over the last 3 weeks, we've had dramatic moves in the Nikkei, breaking up, and even short term. That's the December contract breaking through its previous high. Unlike the other markets, which have suffered somewhat, the Nikkei looks good still. And then going on to the gilt. Why are we so excited about the gilt? Well, here we are. This looks more and more like a break of the downtrend. No question about it. Here is the detail of that. And increasingly, if yields can back up a bit further, we will be breaking a shorter term diagonal and also this possible neckline. Were that to break, say, for example, yields going to 1, that would be a very bullish move up to about 1.9. Very exciting head and shoulders reversal. Hasn't happened yet, but we look to that, and also short term. There's a very, very short term. There's a slight band of support for the Nikkei for the gilt price, but we think that is insubstantial. And finally, we are excited by gold. Oil. I beg your pardon. There's the long-term downturn, which we have high hopes of closing above at the end of this month. This is raises a bit of a question mark over our bullishness, but we are excited by this weekly key reversal in the in the oil, which we still think has a little way further to go, and there's the day key reversal, and we'd like 70.31 to hold on a closing basis today to maintain our bullishness of oil. So let's see what happens. Thanks very much.